down with the little jig. Missed. Hit the mailbox. Oh, it did knock you guys down. Bam. Alright, you guys probably saw that hit the screen. Alright, moving on to number 2. Alright, knocking this down. Boom. First try again, fam. This one is the in the bucket shot. Let's go. Let's go. Second try. Second try. It landed, then it came back out using the Bass Pro Mega Cast combo. This one is the mailbox wraparound.